From the beginning, how I became a locksmith. I didn't want to just jump back into working a 9 to 5. I've gotten very tired of the monotonous reception work in a sense. And really do my own thing, and the freedom of making very good money, more than I could imagine from working a 9 to 5 job. I've been using the Jobox app for about a year. I am able to communicate with the customer well. I can send them messages. They can send me photos if necessary of the job that I have inquiring questions about. A lot of times when it's time for payment, they can pay me through the app using credit card or debit cards. I really like that I can speak with, customer service. They're always available and respond pretty quickly to me. So I have a lot of support through Jobox. Being a female locksmith, one, I get the occasional customer that's willing to try and negotiate with me, or I call an auto parts store and I'm looking for parts and they're like, you have to make sure that somebody can program the key for that if you're gonna buy this part. Yeah, I would be the one to do that. I'm the locksmith. Oh, you would be doing it? Yes, I would be doing it. Oh, okay. No, crickets. People hit on me. There's a lot of things that happen. I do get a lot of support from male locksmiths. It's always rewarding to hear, like, wow, go woman locksmith. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! And we're in. I'm glad that I can be someone that inspires young Black women and young women in general to try something different. Do what it is that you think is kind of crazy because no one else is doing it. And I didn't think about anybody else when I started. It wasn't about necessarily any other Black woman doing it or any other woman doing it. It was that I tried it and I thought that I could continue. Trades and skills are something that we do, but even those things that no one would ever think of, like becoming a locksmith, is very much also possible. And it's truly possible for anyone.